Hello everyone, welcome to my channel InfiTech. In this video we are going to see how to build a simple xylophone app using Flutter. So let's get started. So here I am having this simple boilerplate code. I am having this my app stateless widget with the material app widget. So here I'm going to specify the home property to this material app widget. I'm going to say it as home page. So here I'm going to define a stateful widget uh, of and we call it as home page. So we are having this simple home page widget. So first what we are going to do is we are going to create 7 buttons. So as we know that xylophone makes some music, and for that case we are going to create 7 buttons with 7 different colors, and on each button click we are going to play some xylophone music. So that's the goal. So now we are going to build those buttons, and we are going to play the music when the user clicks on a particular button. So now basically we are having this container. So now I'm going to return a scaffold widget here, and I'm going to specify the body property. So I'm going to make use of this column widget, and I'm going to pass some children. So now basically what I wanted to do is I wanted to create a flat button and leave this on pressed, and child, let's give some text to our child, and also give some width, let's say height as 100, and also give some color, and now let us see how it is looking. Okay, as you can see we are having this flat button like this. So we'll do one thing. We want this button to stretch to the entire width of the screen. So I'm going to make use of this cross axis alignment property to stretch, and I'm also wrapping this column widget with I'm going to wrap this scaffold widget with safe area. So I'm going to wrap this scaffold widget with the safe area so that we don't get any issues like this. Okay, so safe area. So now let me run this. So as you can see we have got the button. So now let's do one thing, and let me remove this text. Now I'm going to create a widget function of return type widget and call it as sound tile. So now I have to create these kind of buttons 7 times. So that's why I'm going to create a function called sound tile, and here I'm going to return this flat button widget. Okay, and so now I'm going to so the color should be different for each button, right? So I'm going to take the color as the parameter, and I'm going to pass this color variable here. Okay, so now I'm going to call the sound tile widget, and I'm going to specify the color as well. So now let's specify some xylophone colors. So for the first one is red, and the next can be orange, and orange, red orange, and it can be yellow. We can give green, we can give teal, we can give blue, we can give purple as well. So let me save this. So these are the 7 buttons. So let me do one thing. So for this height property, we will calculate according to the screen height, and let's say size dot height. Since we are using 7 buttons, 7, let's divide it by 7.22, and 2t is for the other things, right? Let's divide it by 7.23. Okay, so these are the 7 buttons which we are having now. So now what we have to do, on click of any button, we have to play some notes, xylophone notes. So for that I am going to create an assets folder here. So in this assets folder I am going to place all the music files. So I am going to open this. So this is the assets folder. Now I have so in my desktop, in the music folder, I'm having the 7 files, music files. So you can find these notes in the description link below. I will be posting this in the GitHub repository. You can access this music files in the link below in the description box. So now I'm going to paste those 7 WAV files in this assets folder. So now in order to, so now when a user clicks on this button, we need to play this WAV files, right? So to play an audio file, we are going to make use of this audio plays plugin. So I've already included this audio player plugin as a dependency in our project. I'm using this 0.13.1 version. So and also I have to include this assets folder. So let me do that. So and let me uncomment this assets, and you can say assets. So let me save this spec.yaml file. So now we'll do one thing. We're going to create an audio cache player with the help of this audio player plugins. Okay, so now on pressed, when a user clicks on a button, we'll do one thing, player.play. So we need to specify the path of the file name. By default, this play method as assets, so it gets prefixed by assets, so you don't need to include assets slash. So now you can specify the file name, so note1.wav. So this is the library audio cache.dat and in the audio players plugin. So now okay, let us test this whether the sound is playing or not. Okay, so I've just hot restarted this application. So let us test whether the audio file is playing or not. Okay, as you can see, we are getting the same tone for every button. So now what we have to do is we have to play a different audio files for different buttons, right? Now let us accept the another parameter called sound number. So now let's do one thing. So now let's include this sound number. So now we are going to pass sound numbers. So as you can see, we are having this note 1, note 2, note 3. So that's why we are going to pass this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as the variable parameter to the function. So that's what I'm doing now. So I've changed it. I've passed this sound number as an argument to this function. So it plays different files for each button. So now let us test this. Yeah, as you can see, these buttons are playing different WAV files for each click. So yeah, so we are getting the xylophone feel. So this is the pretty much basic implementation of a xylophone. So however, you can make many customizations on your wish if you have so many ideas, or you can maybe include some ABCD with music tone symbol here. So you can do a lot of things. So but this is a basic implementation of how do you create a xylophone app in Flutter. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video.
Help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh.